also known as Issy. You're watching the Issy Missy show. Today I'm gonna talk about clouds. Do you know what clouds are made of? I can tell you. Clouds are made of water drops or ice crystals which float in the sky. So you guys might think there's only one kind of cloud. Well, you're wrong. So there are different kinds of clouds which have different features and different names. So let's start with the clouds. So number 1, cirrus. Cirrus are thin, white and feathery clouds which are seen high in the sky. These clouds are thin because they are made of ice crystal instead of water droplets. So whenever you travel by plane high in the sky, you can see these kinds of clouds. Make sure you look out next time. Anyways, moving on, number 2, cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are fluffy and scattered all over the sky. These clouds are white or grey in color. White fluffy clouds means no rain, but if they are dark or grey means it's going to rain. Well, it's the rainy season over here and you can see a lot of cumulus clouds in the sky. Moving on, number 3, stratus. These clouds look like a huge, thick blanket covering the sky. When they're near the ground, they form into fog. These clouds are also mostly seen on hill stations. I've been to a hill station with my family and I've seen these clouds. The mountains were higher than them. That's very cool. Moving on, number 4, and the last cloud, cumulonimbus. These are thunderstorm clouds. They look like very tall mountains of cumulus clouds. These clouds are also known as the king of clouds. These clouds are responsible for bringing very heavy rain and hail. Yesterday at my place it was raining very hard. That means these clouds were over here. So this was all about clouds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe the Issy